SetupVideos. Instructions made simple. Please enjoy our barbecue grill assembly video. Unlike traditional paper manuals that can be hard to follow, a setup video is a 3D photorealistic animation of your product's assembly. Easy-to-follow steps illuminate the setup process, allowing your customers to assemble and enjoy their product faster. Each setup video includes professional voiceovers and easy-to-use online video player that guides your customer through each step of the assembly process, reducing hassles and increasing positive product reviews. Begin the assembly by checking the parts list. Please note that this is an example video only. Verify that the following parts are included with your assembly. Verify that all parts, hardware, and tools are included. Step 1. Installing the side shelf. For this step, you will require the following parts. Assembling your barbecue is easy. Let's get started. Begin the assembly by locating the 3 mounting holes on the left side of the barbecue. Next, using 3 Part M screws, take the screws and insert them into the left side panel. Hand tighten the screws, but leave them sticking out about halfway. Next, place the side shelf, Part B, directly onto the previously installed screws. Secure the side shelf to the main grill assembly by matching the 3 holes to the newly installed screws. Gently push into place, allowing the side shelf to rest on the screws. Tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Make sure to fully tighten the remaining 2 screws before continuing. Next, secure the upper portion of the side shelf from the inner left-hand side of the main grill by inserting 3 Part M screws and 3 Part N washers into the allocated internal holes as shown. First place the washer and then the screw. Tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to fully tighten the remaining screws. Step 1 is now complete. Step 2. Attaching the side burner shelf. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin the assembly by facing the right side of the barbecue. For this step, you will require the 3 Part M screws. Take the screws and insert them into the right side panel, as shown. Hand tighten the screws, but leave them sticking out about halfway. Next, place the side shelf, Part B, directly onto the previously installed screws. Secure the side shelf to the main grill assembly by matching the 3 holes to the screws, then gently push against and down into place. Tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Take care not to over-tighten the screws. Make sure to fully tighten the remaining 2 screws before continuing. Next, secure the upper portion of the side shelf from the inner right-hand side of the main grill by inserting 3 Part M screws and 3 Part N washers into the allocated inside holes as shown. Place the washer first and then the screw. Tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to fully tighten the remaining 2 screws before continuing. Step 2 is now complete. Step 3. Installing the rotisserie motor and spit set. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 3 by aligning the rotisserie motor bracket, Part E, to the left-hand side of the upper section of the main grill, as shown. Secure the rotisserie motor bracket by placing 2 Part M screws to the inner frame of the main grill, where the ends of the rotisserie motor bracket meet the holes of the frame. Tighten the screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Next, place the rotisserie motor, part F, onto the motor bracket by lining up the motor so that it slides down onto the bracket as shown. Next, join two part H spit forks, one part G spit rod, and one part I shaft collar together as an assembly. Attach the newly formed assembly into the grill by inserting the socketed end of the spit through the hole in the motor on the left-hand side and placing the other end into the open slot on the right-hand side. Step 3 is now complete. Step 4. Installing the gas tank. For this step, you will require the following parts. Begin Step 4 by attaching the conversion hose, part J, to the right side of the main grill assembly. This is done by inserting the fitted end of the hose into the socket at under the right-hand panel. Next, open the compartment of the main grill stand and place the gas tank, part K, into the center of the compartment, as shown. Secure the gas tank by adjusting the thumb screw located on the bottom right-hand side stand. To securely fasten the tank, rotate the thumb screw until the tank is firmly seated. Finally, insert the conversion hose through the square hole so that the flat side of the hose is inserted into the valve of the gas tank, as shown. Make sure that both ends of the hose have been securely tightened. Congratulations! You have completed the barbecue grill assembly. Before using your newly assembled barbecue grill, ensure that all valves are secured and that any gas tank used in your barbecue grill is properly secured, and that the conversion hose remains tightened to the gas tank on both ends, as any leak of gases can be hazardous. Enjoy your new barbecue grill. Don't let your customers struggle with complex assembly manuals. Visit SetupVideos online or call us today for a free quote. Please dial 888-877-0018. SetupVideos. Instructions made simple.